Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Zaron. If you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. So today's video is going to be all about this makeup tutorial and this hair tutorial. So I hope you guys are going to love this video. And before we start, happy new year to you guys. So without no further ado, let's start the video.
So hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So I thought of doing a get ready with me video, that is doing my makeup and my hair. So first of all, I was priming my face with the face primer I showed you guys before, and I'm going to be using this Reina beauty palette for my eyes. So I'm going to be doing the crease. So I used an orange shade and a brown shade. I mixed the two shades for my crease. Then you just blend it properly so that it can look seamless. So I'm going to be using this neon pigments, and I got it from Makeup Tools Kenya. All my brushes are from Makeup Tools Kenya, so you can buy from them. I'm going to put a link on the description box on where to get the makeup brushes and the glosses and all that. So I'm going to be mentioning what I'm using and where I got it from, and I'm going to put a link on the description box for you guys to get it if you want to. So I'm cutting my crease, and I'm using a concealer to do this. Then if you want your crease to be seamless and clear and all that, make sure you blend it for your eyeshadow to look nice and all that. I don't know if you understand me, guys. So after doing my cut crease, I'm going to blend it a little bit. Then I'm going to take my neon pigments and apply it. I always like to blend the line in between the two shades so that it cannot look like there's a harsh line in between them. Then after this, I'm going to be doing my foundation, and I'm using the brown skin shade Zaron foundation in the shade khaki, like you've seen. Then you have to be really quick with blending this foundation because it's a matte foundation, I guess. Yeah, so it's going to dry up really quickly on your face. So after applying, make sure you blend it in as quickly as possible. So I'm going to be using setting powder instead of highlighting, because I feel like highlighting then setting the face is too much for me. So I'm just going to use the setting powder under my eyes to also brighten my under eyes and also highlight my face. Yes. So after your highlight is blended, you can just contour your face. So I'm just contouring my face, and I'm using the Zaron products. I'm going to put every detail of everything that I've used on my face on the description box. So for my tear duct, I'm going to do a matte color. So I'm not going to be doing the shiny or the glowy tear duct. So I'm going to put on matte on my tear duct. It looks better and brighter when it's like this. You can just try it out and let me know what you think in the comment section. So I just brighten out my under eye and also my tear duct. Then after that, I'm going to be taking the shade I used on my crease area, the brown shade, and also use it on my waterline. And I think we are done with the eye tutorial. Basically the eyeshadow tutorial, we're done with it. Yeah, it's as simple as that, guys. Let's head over to the lip tutorial. I like to line my lips with a darker shade of eyeliner, then blend it out pretty well. Then after that, I used my eyeshadow, my pink eyeshadow on the first shade. Then I used a lighter shade of the pink on top to make it a little bit lighter. Then I used the gloss on top. This gloss is from Makeup Tools Kenya. Also, guys, I'm going to put their link, like I said earlier, on my video. Okay, so as we start this hair tutorial, I'm going to prep my hair first. So I'm using the mist, hair food, then the hair butter, and massage it into my skin. Yeah, I got the mist and the hair butter from Geenylove Naturals. You can get them from IG, and the TCB from TCB Naturals on IG too. I'm going to put a link. And for this tutorial, we are going to be using one curl. And I got this hair from Natural Hair Kenya a while back, so I thought let me just show you guys how I crochet this hair. So I got this cornrows, like I think it's been a week and a half or something. So I was like, I am bored of having cornrows and putting on wigs, so let me just do crochet before I take out these cornrows. And I used like 2 packs of this hair, and it's really soft. So for one strand, I think I detangle like 3 to 4 times, because I like mine messy, so I like to detangle one strand as many times as I can, then crochet it onto my hair like you can see. That's why I use less packs. I think I use 2 packs or 1.5 a pack for this hairstyle, just because of the detangling. Detangling really helps with using less packs while doing the crochet braids. So as I finished doing the crochet braids at the front, I did the crochet again, because I wanted to do the back combing and the cutting and the trimming and everything to make it look more natural. So this is to make your crochet braids look natural around your hairline. Then after that, I'm just going to trim it. And also, if you want to maintain the curls, you can use the curling custard. This is also from Geenylove Naturals. This is one of their latest products, and it's really nice on curly hair, so you can use it to maintain your curls. So this is the end of this tutorial, and these are videos on how to style the hair. So videos are going to pop up on how you can style this hair, so do not get stuck with one hairstyle, and you can style it in many different ways. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Like, share and comment. You can also give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. So until our next video, guys, bye.